Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Yeah, buddy. The front feels weird. Oh, it's so good to be riding. Fuck me, what was that? Two-stroke. Fucking stunk. Actually, I think that was the I think it's the Honda XR that parks up here. So good to be on the bike, and it's actually quite warm today, ironically, which is a good thing. Apologies for the wind noise, guys. It's quite difficult to see at night time. One thing I have got to do is when I get a chance is to sort and adjust the chain again. Might need to check the air in the tyres as well. The front just seems I don't know, it just seems weird. I don't know whether it's just me being picky. Oh, I didn't check the fucking indicators, did I? We're good on this one? Yeah, we're good on that one. Oh, that deafened me then. Busy on the roads tonight, considering it's fucking 8 o'clock like. The fuck? The fuck is going on? Bum 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 bum. So I've actually got to go to site, do some stock checks and some other important bits. Get some stock checking done, boy. But first, gotta pick up a parcel on my route. I have changed the settings a little bit to see if it accommodates you guys a little bit better, because I noticed the nighttime footage was a bit way too dark and I couldn't see much unless I increased the settings on purpose. Oh, who's this we got behind us now? Watch it. I bet you it'd be a police or something. Boy racers, I think. Tell you what's another good thing on this bike is the gearbox. It shifts so smoothly up and down. Like compared to the other bike, even the dial-in I had was fucking clunky as fuck. Oh, I can't wait to go for a group ride, guys. I'll as soon as this lockdown shit goes a little bit more, I'm looking at doing a group ride, so I don't want to get caught, like, unless I'm going to work or unless I have a valid reason to be out. Like, you know, if I got to sort shit on my bike, I could probably skate away with it, but they are being strict, so they'll probably ask where I'm going in terms of local or dealer wise, like, you know. So just gotta play it safe, innit? That's the only problem right now. Fight the wind, boys. 62. That was an incline as well, to be fair. Oh, well done, Bat. You're going on the motorway. Fucking Billy Muggins. How? Any fucker coming? Nope, good. Just the way I like it. My bike needs a clean already. It's fucking ridiculous. This bike gets so dirty. I mean, look at the fucking front of it. You might not even be able to see it on the camera, actually. Give me a second and I'll lean over. Look at that, fucking filthy. Absolute fucking filth, boys. Fucking smells like eggs down here.